In this video, we'll be saving the project, then removing the project so we can start on a new project. So first thing you need to do is save the project. So we're going to remove this PDF tools all in one. I'm going to click File, and then we're going to click Save. Once you've saved the project, then we're going to remove it. So you want to click File again, go down to Close Folder. As you can see, the project is then removed so that you can start on a new project. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.